Today I want to show you our new movable and collapsible chicken coop. Pete's latest project just completed. This chicken coop is fantastic because not only can you move it around easily, but you can collapse it completely to store it away from the rain, the sun and the weather. The chicken coop has a top that consists of 2 panels covered with shade cloth that keep the chicken nice and cool. Let me walk around a bit to show you some of the details. In our area, we lose a lot of chicken and baby chicks to the nesting eagles and hawks. And this chicken coop is perfect for protecting them and keeping them in place where you want them to feed and where you want them to fertilize your garden. Let me show you now how we collapse this chicken coop. The top comes off easily. If you're interested in building this chicken coop yourself, subscribe to our channel. We are busy preparing a little video with all the building instructions, and it is very easy to build this coop. There you go. You can collapse it into a long panel that you can store at the wall of your garage or in your barn. Thank you for watching.